50 years, and the same pursuit of perfection. Nothing is left to chance, especially what no one sees. The vision has grown, faithful to what it has always been. Piece by piece, the heart is rebuilt. A mechanism born half a century ago is reborn today. More preciseness, more purity. A watch comes to life when the movement awakens. The first breath, when time finds its case and the gesture becomes a promise. "50 years of independence, 50 years of know-how. An anniversary shaped by hand in the light." Raymond Weil, Genevan.